I'm yelling, sorry. Today we're gonna do, wait, that's a nice fancy skin. Wow, that's nice. So, this is a freghtliner cascadia for mid-south. They're kinda late. Yeah, kinda late. It's 11:13. You said don't bother me. I might get honk one. It's all been good. You gotta blow up that Christmas video up. A truck or trailer coming. Oh, well, it's over there. Look at this, El Camino. Look at this thing. Nice. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I knew I heard something coming up the hill. So when he said like my entry. Nice. Nice, like a CST trailer. Stinks though. D. So you guys are wondering, it takes longer than you think. And I like the truck to sign up people. And go on around and get my mom for Christmas. I'm getting this for Christmas. Yeah. Hey, I'm a pioneer now. Hey, you better not, I'm gonna lie, you're not gonna kill me. Yeah. Hey, look, a green bean. Huh? Look, a green bean, a Honda green bean. This is actually a good way to get better at biting. Actually, I hit your bike for no reason.
You went down.
What?
I'm doing that for your behalf.
What? It's pretty entertaining. Was that you?
No, that was him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Sounds bad.
Pretty sure.
I know when you go do it again. Hey, Wabash. National. I've seen Wabash before. It might be him. Dude, where's the brakes, man? Come on. Hey, there's the cascadia.
Brakes were good now. Watch your shoulder coming down.
Okay. I know how to walk this thing, but I don't know how to drive it. Like do the pedals and stuff.
It's very, very sticky.
They don't hit your brakes on Polish.
There's a guy all over town. I see him and I'm wondering if that's your dad. I'm like, is that Bobby? No, that's not Bobby.
Chevy.
And I always see that Under Armour sticker back there. Like, no, that ain't Bobby. Oh,
Hey.
Yellow.
Oh snap! The leaning tower of Egypt. I like sucks when you suck. Hey, a good citizen. No, that ain't no good for it.
You're up. Here we go. Watch yourself now.
Up in the air. That's how I'm die. If I die, you die with me.
No, I think we managed. We're okay.
I in this video, horn honk and force this wide long.
Dog food though, boy. I can't even see around it.
I can. Yo, Khalil.
Holy crap, it's like a big thing of jello.
It is. Ed, look at the tire.
Like watching them. Never mind.
One thing goes wrong is you didn't have laptop, so screwed. I gonna lean up like this. My butt ain't. Oh wait, my butt's in the way. I'm gonna get more on the edge, so I don't mind if I fall. I won't fall off if you hit a bump. There's no big bumps. push. I don't want my butt to be pushing the gas. Go ram in the trailer. It was like I dump off so fast. He fought that mine. Look at DMC Denali. Nice. Hey, next car you buy is the DMC Denali.
4 hours later.
Hey, the Mayo Mac came by. Car behind you.
I think they're being smart.
Hey, that's a good compliment for the DMC. That Pullman trailer.
They could just drive on this side of the truck though and go park and go into the store. I don't know why they're not.
Maybe they just want to watch us walk. Like a polo. I'm telling them to come, if they don't come, then they'll just watch us walk. Or maybe they want to, they don't think there's enough room for them. They are driving DMC. Or maybe they want to see what we do next. Or they're filming us. There's a great leaning tower in Egypt.
I put this shit 8 miles away from the truck. Not sure what goes inside anymore.
Look at the parking right.
What goes in the back?
Look at the parking right there. Maybe they all parking right there. That is about supposed to park there. I would advise you guys to park there because that ain't really a good area to park. Alright, so is this the last pallet? Yep, that's the last pallet. That's the last pallet. Oh yeah, this is old Heartland truck trailer. This is the old Heartland Express trailer. Cool. That's nice. There's some history about this trailer. After this pallet, want me to meet me off by the trailer?
Again?
After this pallet, drop me off by the trailer.
That's so, huh?
Where you pick me up at?
Okay. Where I picked you up at.
Sir, it's all hot and fresh.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it's kind of comfortable here. Ow! What the heck? I'll kill you! I cooked you. I cooked you. Okay, it's me dropping off at the truck now. Since he's young in.
Somebody lost a bunch of shit there.
Now,
It's like grains or fertilizer or some shit.
careful.
Look at it all, see it?
Yeah. Big crazy dumb and risky of me. I'm only doing it for my content.
How the hell am I supposed to do that right now, buddy? Kind of unloading a truck.
Just drop off this pallet, then drive the forklift over there, get the alfalfa pellet
Mini alfalfa cubes. I think we might have those right here right here.
on the pallet.
Yeah, this one over here.
Cool. Nice.
They're regular size. Of course, they can't be mini.
Yeah.
Oh, there they are, right there.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, but look at all the shit that's on top of them.
Okay, drop me off here then. Dang it. I'm alive. Didn't like being alive. Some people are like, no. Nice. That's 350. Now here you go and bug the driver. I'm bugging the driver. Detroit! I don't think I can really see that, but that right there. Man, where is it? Right there. It's a Heartland Express logo.
Alright, that's it.
Put my camera right here. Want me to just save a haircut?
There you go.
Loud! That didn't really use my truck. Yeah! I still. Next week. Shoot. 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 I'm about to die. Oh wait. Ow! Dang, my cup caught. Ow! I broke my arm. Nothing processed to me that my cup from me 100 degrees.
Holy cow. This in the store.
Quick.
10.
They're on point list. Wow, really? Good. That's good, but it's the only truck spawning like me. He get double foot now as you honk. Alright guys, that's it. Stay trucking. Tell me if you like the forklift right along.